Hey guys, in today's video, I will be reviewing the top 8 best robotic pool cleaner for older pool designs. I made this list based on my personal experience, and I try to rank them based on their quality, durability, customer reviews, and more. If you want to know about the best pricing and more information, you can check the description links below. Number 8 in my list is Scrubo Pro Cordless Robotic Pool Cleaner. The Scrubo Pro Cordless Robotic Pool Cleaner is a state-of-the-art cleaning solution designed for effortless and efficient pool maintenance. Featuring cordless technology, this robotic cleaner eliminates the hassle of tangled wires, making it easy to operate and maneuver in both in-ground and above-ground pools. Powered by a high-capacity rechargeable battery, the Scrubo Pro delivers long-lasting performance, offering up to 90 minutes of continuous cleaning on a single charge. Its advanced dual-drive motors and high-speed scrubbing brushes effectively remove dirt, debris, leaves, and algae from the pool floor and walls, ensuring a sparkling clean pool every time. Equipped with intelligent navigation technology, the Scrubo Pro scans the pool layout and follows an optimized cleaning path, maximizing coverage while avoiding obstacles. The powerful filtration system captures even the finest particles, keeping pool water clear and hygienic. A standout feature is its self-parking function, which automatically directs the cleaner to the pool's edge when the cleaning cycle is complete or when the battery runs low, making retrieval simple and convenient. The lightweight, compact design ensures easy transport and storage, while the quick drain system allows for effortless removal from the water. With one-touch operation, the Scrubo Pro is incredibly user-friendly, requiring no complex setup. Whether tackling daily maintenance or deep cleaning, this cordless robotic pool cleaner offers a hassle-free solution for keeping your pool pristine. Enjoy a cleaner, healthier pool with the Scrubo Pro, your ultimate pool cleaning companion. Number 7 in my list is Black Pearl Ultra Robotic Pool Cleaner. The Black Pearl Ultra Robotic Pool Cleaner is an advanced high-performance cleaning solution designed to keep pools spotless with minimal effort. Engineered with cutting-edge robotic technology, this cleaner ensures efficient and thorough cleaning for both in-ground and above-ground pools. Equipped with powerful dual-drive motors, the Black Pearl Ultra delivers exceptional suction and scrubbing power, effortlessly removing dirt, debris, and algae from the pool floor, walls, and waterline. Its intelligent navigation system scans the pool and calculates the most efficient cleaning path, ensuring complete coverage without missing any spots. One of the standout features of this robotic cleaner is its energy-efficient design, which allows for powerful performance while consuming less energy, making it an eco-friendly choice. The large-capacity filter system captures even the finest debris, ensuring crystal-clear water with every cleaning cycle. With self-parking technology, the Black Pearl Ultra stops near the pool's edge when the cleaning cycle is complete or when the battery runs low, making retrieval effortless. Additionally, its user-friendly control panel allows for easy operation, letting you choose different cleaning modes to suit your pool's needs. The lightweight ergonomic design ensures easy handling and storage, while the quick drain system allows for fast water release, making post-cleaning maintenance hassle-free. For pool owners seeking a reliable, efficient, and ultra-powerful robotic pool cleaner, the Black Pearl Ultra Robotic Pool Cleaner is the perfect choice, ensuring a sparkling clean pool with minimal effort. Number 6 in my list is Winny A1 Cordless Robotic Pool Cleaner. The Winny A1 Cordless Robotic Pool Cleaner is a powerful and efficient solution designed to keep your pool spotless with minimal effort. Featuring an advanced cordless design, it eliminates the hassle of tangled cables, allowing for unrestricted movement and seamless operation in both above-ground and in-ground pools. Equipped with a high-performance motor, the Winny A1 efficiently removes leaves, dirt, sand, and other debris from the pool floor, leaving the water crystal clear. Its intelligent navigation system ensures optimized cleaning paths, covering the entire pool area while maximizing battery life. The long-lasting lithium-ion battery provides extended cleaning cycles, allowing the robot to run continuously for an efficient pool maintenance routine. Additionally, its fast-charging technology ensures minimal downtime, so it's always ready for the next use. One of its standout features is the self-parking technology, which enables the cleaner to stop near the pool's edge when the battery runs low, making retrieval effortless. Its lightweight and ergonomic design allows for easy handling and storage. With an eco-friendly, energy-efficient operation, the Winny A1 is designed for low power consumption without compromising performance. The easy-to-clean filter system makes maintenance a breeze, ensuring long-term reliability. Ideal for pool owners looking for a convenient, reliable, and high-performing robotic cleaner, the Winny A1 Cordless Robotic Pool Cleaner is a must-have device that keeps pools pristine, giving you more time to relax and enjoy the water. Number 5 in my list is Launs S1 Cordless Robotic Pool Cleaner. The Launs S1 Cordless Robotic Pool Cleaner is an innovative and hassle-free cleaning solution designed to keep your pool crystal clear with minimal effort. Featuring a cordless design, this robotic pool cleaner eliminates tangled cables and allows for unrestricted movement, making it perfect for both above-ground and in-ground pools. Equipped with a high-performance motor and advanced filtration system, the Launs S1 effectively removes leaves, dirt, sand, and small debris from the pool floor. Its intelligent navigation system ensures thorough and efficient cleaning by scanning the pool's surface and optimizing its cleaning route. This results in faster and more effective cleaning cycles while conserving battery life. The rechargeable lithium-ion battery provides extended runtime, allowing the cleaner to complete multiple cycles on a single charge. With fast charging capabilities, the Launs S1 is always ready for the next cleaning session. Additionally, its lightweight and ergonomic design makes it easy to lift and remove from the pool after use. One of its standout features is the self-parking technology, which ensures that when the battery runs low, the cleaner automatically stops near the pool's edge for easy retrieval. Its efficient energy consumption makes it an eco-friendly choice while maintaining optimal performance. Ideal for pool owners seeking a convenient, powerful, and low-maintenance cleaning solution, the Launs S1 Cordless Robotic Pool Cleaner provides a hassle-free way to enjoy a clean and sparkling pool all season long. Number 4 in my list is SereneLife Robotic Pool Cleaner. The SereneLife Robotic Pool Cleaner is a smart, efficient, and hassle-free solution for maintaining a sparkling clean pool. Designed for both above-ground and in-ground pools, this automatic pool cleaner delivers powerful performance with its high-speed motor and dual scrubbing brushes that effectively remove dirt, debris, and algae from the pool floor and walls. Equipped with intelligent self-navigation technology, the SereneLife Robotic Pool Cleaner scans the pool's surface, optimizing its cleaning path for maximum efficiency. It moves effortlessly through the water, covering all areas without missing a spot. Its large filter basket captures fine particles, leaves, and debris, preventing clogging and reducing the need for frequent emptying. One of the standout features of this cleaner is its cordless design, eliminating the hassle of tangled cables and ensuring unrestricted movement. The rechargeable battery provides extended cleaning cycles, allowing for multiple cleaning sessions on a single charge. Plus, the fast-charging technology ensures minimal downtime between uses. With its lightweight and easy-to-handle construction, the SereneLife Robotic Pool Cleaner is incredibly user-friendly. Simply turn it on, drop it in, and let it do the work. Its energy-efficient operation helps reduce electricity costs while keeping your pool in pristine condition. Perfect for pool owners looking for a reliable, low-maintenance, and effective cleaning solution. The SereneLife Robotic Pool Cleaner offers a seamless way to enjoy a cleaner pool with less effort and more relaxation. Number 3 in my list is Polaris 8050 Sport Robotic Pool Cleaner. The Polaris 8050 Sport Robotic Pool Cleaner is a powerful and intelligent cleaning solution designed to keep your pool spotless with minimal effort. Engineered with advanced cyclonic vacuum technology, this robotic cleaner ensures strong and consistent suction, effectively removing dirt, debris, and leaves from pool floors and walls. Equipped with smart navigation and IntelliScan technology, the Polaris 8050 Sport maps out the most efficient cleaning path, avoiding obstacles and covering the entire pool. Its oversized top-access filter canister makes debris removal hassle-free. Just lift, shake, and spray for easy maintenance. The cleaner's agile design allows for superior maneuverability, effortlessly navigating tight corners and steep slopes. Its front scrubbing brush actively loosens stubborn dirt and algae, ensuring a deep clean. With multiple cleaning modes, including quick clean, standard clean, and waterline scrubbing, you can customize the cleaning session based on your needs. Thanks to its energy-efficient operation, the Polaris 8050 Sport reduces power consumption while delivering superior cleaning performance. The tangle-free swivel cable ensures uninterrupted movement, preventing frustrating cord tangles. Ideal for in-ground pools, this robotic cleaner offers plug-and-play convenience, making it incredibly easy to use. Simply drop it in, turn it on, and let it do the work. With its powerful suction, intelligent navigation, and user-friendly design, the Polaris 8050 Sport Robotic Pool Cleaner is an excellent investment for pool owners looking for a hassle-free, high-performance cleaning solution. Number 2 in my list is Wybot Osprey 700 Pro Robotic Pool Cleaner. The Wybot Osprey 700 Pro Robotic Pool Cleaner is a high-performance, smart cleaning solution designed to keep your pool spotless with minimal effort. Engineered with advanced technology and powerful suction, this robotic cleaner efficiently removes dirt, debris, leaves, and algae from pool floors, walls, and water lines. Equipped with dual-drive motors and intelligent navigation, the Osprey 700 Pro ensures comprehensive and systematic cleaning without missing a spot. The powerful scrubbing brushes effectively loosen and eliminate stubborn dirt, ensuring a deep clean. Its high-capacity filtration system captures fine particles, leaving your pool water crystal clear. One of its standout features is the smart self-parking function, which allows the cleaner to automatically stop near the pool's edge once the cleaning cycle is complete. The cordless design eliminates tangling issues and enhances maneuverability, providing greater convenience. Powered by a long-lasting rechargeable battery, the Wybot Osprey 700 Pro offers extended cleaning sessions on a single charge. With multiple cleaning modes, including quick clean, deep clean, and waterline scrubbing, you can customize the cleaning process to suit your needs. The energy-efficient operation reduces electricity consumption, making it an eco-friendly choice for pool owners. Easy to operate and maintain, the Wybot Osprey 700 Pro Robotic Pool Cleaner is perfect for those looking for an efficient, reliable, and user-friendly way to keep their pool in pristine condition. Whether for residential or commercial pools, this cleaner delivers top-tier performance and convenience every time. Number 1 in my list is Winny Robotic Pool Cleaner. The Winny Robotic Pool Cleaner is an advanced, efficient, and powerful cleaning solution designed to keep your pool sparkling clean with minimal effort. Whether you have an in-ground or above-ground pool, this robotic cleaner offers deep scrubbing, intelligent navigation, and energy-efficient performance, making pool maintenance easier than ever. Equipped with high-performance dual motors, the Winny Robotic Pool Cleaner delivers strong suction power, effectively removing dirt, leaves, debris, and even fine particles from your pool floor, walls, and waterline. The intelligent navigation system ensures systematic cleaning, avoiding unnecessary overlap and ensuring every inch of your pool is thoroughly cleaned. Designed with efficient scrubbing brushes, the Winny Cleaner actively removes algae and stubborn dirt, leaving your pool surface spotless. Its advanced filtration system captures both large debris and microscopic particles, keeping your pool water crystal clear. With automatic scheduling and multiple cleaning modes, users can customize cleaning cycles based on their needs. Whether you need a quick clean or a deep scrub, the Winny Robotic Pool Cleaner adapts to your preferences, providing optimal results. Its cordless design enhances maneuverability, eliminating the hassle of tangled cords while offering long battery life for extended cleaning sessions. The energy-efficient operation reduces electricity costs, making it an eco-friendly choice for pool owners. Durable, reliable, and easy to use, the Winny Robotic Pool Cleaner is a must-have for hassle-free pool maintenance, ensuring a consistently clean and inviting swimming environment. Alright guys, this was our today's video. If you find this video helpful for you, then like the video, and if you come to our channel first time, then hit the subscribe button for our amazing upcoming videos. Be sure to check out the links in the description for the updated price of all products discussed in this video. Hope you have a great day and see you soon in the next video.